Hello and welcome to my weekly analysis. So I'm going to try and do this analysis every day. I'm going to be more consistent with posting more analysis and my thoughts and what I think of the market coming into the market. So feel free to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to watch. And yeah, so I'm on NQ chart right now, and we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. In fact, let's start our analysis from top down. Let's go to the 4 hours. So NQ currently is in a downtrend when we look at the 4 hour time frame. The reason being that it is currently making lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, potentially a lower high, and then a drop below this low. Now, NQ is bearish on the 4 hour time frame. And then if we switch over to our 1 hour time frame, let's take a look. So according to ICC price action, so what has been happening since the 30th of December is price indicated a bearish move. So basically price broke this structure, indicated a bearish move here. We had a correction, which was quite a choppy one. For about 3 days, we had a choppy correction, but price ended up continuing to move down and breaking the low, which created another bearish indication. All right, so from this swing low here to this swing low is a bearish indication. So price corrected and then continued. After the continuation, it broke the low again, therefore making another bearish indication. All right, so price is clearing a downtrend. This was a bearish indication that happened on the Wednesday, and then followed by Asia session came with a bullish correction, which took basically this high, but never really broke the 4 hour level high. So this is the level on the 4 hour. This is the higher low that created this high here. So this is a key level where price came back and taps this level. Price obviously sold off again. So this was a massive bullish correction. There was a liquidity grab here, which was because we broke above this level. So this kind of made some buyers take some bullish move here, but it ended up in a fake out, and then price continued down. Remember, when price makes a bearish indication or a bullish indication, it is looking to sell. So whenever we get a correction back up to a key level, which is the support level, we should be looking for sales to continue the move. And however, if we break above, then price could be looking to change direction. But again, price usually follows rules and would not break the rule, except it actually wants to break the rule, and price usually will come back and create a higher low and continue to move up. So this was a fake out. As you can see, this was a large wick to the upside, and then what happens next is price came all the way back down and broke this low, continued this bearish movement, broke this low, and then created another bearish indication. So between this low and this new low that happened on Friday, this would be our impulsive move. This is our bearish indication, which also suggests that price is still looking to sell and price has the potential to go lower. As we see on our 4 hour chart, we can see that price also looks bearish. So our buyers remains bearish for now. Now, Asia market just is about to open. It's currently 6:39 p.m. Eastern time. So the market is open, and I am looking for a continuation. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. Sorry, not a continuation, but a correction. This is exactly what I'm looking for coming into the market, the session this evening. I'm looking for a continuation. Back up. The continuation, of course, is going to be bullish, but remember, this is just a shorter time frame movement. This is the opposing movement, so you would be careful when taking the correction. However, we will be looking for sells when price gets back somewhere around this level. Again, you can use the fib as a guide, but once price gets somewhere around this level, we should be looking for a change of character for a continued movement down. Now, according to ICC, we would not be taking this trade yet until we break below this level. Reason being is this is the level where sellers are. This is the level we indicated from. So anything from here to here would be, there would be sellers sitting here, and this is a high probability trade because price has not fallen into the bearish zone. And then you could take the trade right here and take your profit over here and potentially wait to see if price will keep going lower. Now, if we want to assess the risks to reward in this trade, we can say our stop could be, we can put our stop above a swing high. Let's say the swing high is over here. This is all just assumptions, but once price breaks back under here, we could be looking to take sells up to this low, and potentially the next low that price would create, the next support level that price would create. So once again, remember to risk properly. And NQ currently is still bearish. I linked bearish again on ES as well. So yeah, we will meet again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.